Today we're gonna be making Noni Tacos. It's a taco recipe that my mom made us forever, like on special occasions like our birthdays and stuff. But I converted it to make it out of venison. We kill a bunch of deer and does for population control on this farm, and we eat all of it. Here's recipe number one, Noni Tacos. First step is brown the meat. So I don't do anything fancy like make my own seasoning or anything. I just follow the instructions on whatever taco seasoning you want. But I brown the meat, and then you add your taco seasoning and some water. While the meat is browning, now I'll go to prepping the vegetables to put inside the tacos. I like to use cabbage instead of lettuce. It's a little different texture, it's a little crunchier. Slicing the avocado. Things are a little green. All right, I'm gonna cut the tomatoes. Cut it into bite-sized morsels to fit on your taco. So far it's not that exciting. You brown some meat, of course, put some taco seasoning, but this is one of the two tricks that I really like about this recipe is putting a half can of refried beans in for every pound of ground meat. And you mix that in there after that's been cooked down, and it changes the whole flavor and texture and everything else for the better. You just take about a half of it and you start stirring that in. Looks a little bit like Alpo right now, but trust me, it's delicious. And put a little meat in there. Sprinkle some cheese on it. And then we're gonna fry it. But right now, we'll just get a few of them ready for the fryer. Just get those set in there so I can, once I get going frying, they're easy to just keep going with the same task. All right, now we're gonna take them over to the frying pan. All right, after I make them, I usually put them on a cookie sheet, put them in the oven just on warm, so then we can kind of round up the family and get everybody together to pull them out. They've only been in there for a few minutes, but it gives us time to gather everybody, and then you can load them the way you like them. Take one of these delicious tacos, put a couple slices of avocado on it, a little bit of cabbage, some tomatoes, and then a little bit of sour cream. All right, here we go. First bite of the Noni Taco. That is good, man. I have food coming out now. So good. I think you guys will like.